Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to get a tax refund on Cash App. And this is a very good tax secret from Cash App. So first, of course, you need to have the Cash App download on your phone. Okay, now tap on the banking tab at the bottom left corner of your screen. It basically looks like a building, right? Scroll down and select a direct deposit. And you'll see that you can actually receive your money up to 2 days faster with this method. Okay, next what you need to do is set up a free cash card, right? Tap on get free cash card and just follow the prompts. And once you've completed this setup, okay, you just go back to the direct deposit tab and copy your routing and account numbers. Enter these guys when you file your taxes, and your refund will actually arrive up to 2 days earlier. And it's really that easy and simple. So, I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Find Your Solution, and I'll see you in the next one.